Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to talk about SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning instructions. If you've been in a floor covering store recently and you're looking at purchasing some Mohawk carpet, or you've just purchased some Mohawk SmartStrand carpet, then you're going to need to know how to clean it. There's specific things that you have to do in order to maintain the warranty, and that is what this video is all about. What you're looking at on the screen before I dive into that is the front page of our website, Best Rug Prices. We're at BestRugPrices.com, and I do want to throw a little plug in about our website and tell you a little bit about some of the other things that we do. What you're looking at is the main page of our site, which is about area rugs. What we do is we scan the internet on a regular basis, and we come up with the best deals for our viewers for area rugs. Right now we're promoting area rugs under $100, and then we also separate it by the type of style of area rug as well as by the size. So you can just come visit our site and click on kind of what you're interested in, and we're going to take you right to the website where the best deal is being offered. The other part of our site that we have is we have a section called Ask the Flooring Pro, which is a really cool resource tool, and I'm going to click on that real quick to show you what it's about. But if you have a floor covering project ongoing, or you're looking to do one and you have a bunch of questions that you can't get answered, on this section we list a bunch of questions that our customers have asked us, and we put it all on the same page. And then all you have to do is click the question, and you're going to get a short video answer to your question. So let's say, for example, you want to know which manufacturer makes the best vinyl plank flooring. Well, you can just click on that question right here, and right on our site, there's going to be a little video where we talk about that. So it's a great resource tool that you can use for any of your floor covering projects. It's completely free. We never charge a dime. The other section that we have is our Be Floored blog, and I'm going to click to that because it definitely pertains to the subject matter of this video. We have an article called SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. It's a great article that talks about all the different things you need to know about SmartStrand. I'm going to click that real quick, but in this article, it talks about warranty information, it talks about documentation, vacuum cleaners, all that stuff. Anything you want to know about SmartStrand Carpet is in this article. And I'm going to put the link to this article in the description box below this video, so you can click on it anytime you want to, go to it and read it for yourself. But it's just a wealth of information. It's got all kind of links and information and videos. Like, again, anything you want to know about SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning is in this article, and I'll put the description or the link in the description box below. So before I end this video, I want to kind of go over to the Mohawk site. I've kind of preloaded it on my computer, but here we are on the Mohawk website. So if you want to try to investigate this stuff for yourself, I'll just show you how to access this information. But if you're on the main page, Mohawk sells a lot of different products, as you can see here. You're going to want to click this one that says Residential Carpet. And as I click that, Mohawk has a lot of different brands of carpet. So I'm going to focus in on this one right here, which is Mohawk. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to go, it's going to line me up on this page. And I'm going to go up here to this Learn About tab. Click that. And under the carpet section, you'll see SmartStrand right here. So all you have to do is click SmartStrand, and it'll take you over to the Mohawk SmartStrand page. And right here, it talks about the different carpets. And down here at the bottom, here's the information on the cleaning brochure, pet warranty, all that good stuff. So it's just as simple as that, but that's how you access your warranty information and cleaning instructions for Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet. So that's it in this video. The main point that I wanted to come across is our blog article. It's just a wealth of information on Mohawk SmartStrand. It talks about everything you want to know in the article. It's got tons of information, tons of videos. Would definitely encourage you to check it out if you're looking to buy Mohawk SmartStrand Carpet, or if you've already purchased some carpet and you're wanting to know how to clean it to maintain your warranty. Hope this helps, and thank you very much for watching.